This video shares the reality of storms, floods, hail, tornadoes and other supernatural phenomena taking place, in order to recognize and evaluate the severity of the above phenomena. Hope everyone follows and knows how to avoid it. Upstream floods swept away people's houses all the way to the foot of the bridge. The historic flood has shown us the dire consequences, the destructive power that swept away the houses of everything it passed through. In one town, floods completely covered all roads. People here were isolated by floodwaters for many days. The floodwaters gradually poured into the village. The water flow was very large. The huge flood swept away cars and houses, and many people watched curiously. Storms, floods, and landslides cause a lot of black mud and rocks to be swept away when the flood flows downstream. A sandstorm has formed and engulfed everything it passes through. Everyone was very frightened by the above phenomenon and tried to stay away from that sandstorm. Unlucky people had their cars swept away by the flood while trying to bring them to shore. The city suffered flash floods. The vehicles and belongings of many people were swept away, each car piled up on top of another. Relief work encountered many difficulties, and the impact of the flood was very dangerous. The strong tsunami accompanying the storm was so strong that it swept away people's vehicles and many belongings. Nature is always scarier than we think. It's terrible to see a tornado like this. The old man tried to bring his car into the house but was swept away by the current.
Buenas noches. Madre mía.
Prolonged hail caused many vehicles to be seriously damaged. Cars parked on the side of the road were severely damaged when hail broke the windshield and exterior tires. People accidentally filmed the tornado starting to form. It was so ferocious that it mixed up all the people's belongings.
How is everybody out there? Everybody be safe! Oh man! Hang in there! 운동도 안 거랬어 너. 아 많이 하네.
아, 소리가 나.
없네. 맞아 죽어. 예? 이나.
아, 수고했다, 맞아.
지나가면 뭐 미치고 싶으면 니가 하우스 죽으니까 알아서.
A tsunami begins to hit the coast. The moving wave shows us that the power of nature is something worth thinking about to protect the environment.
우와. 몇回目よりすごいですか?
Houses living along the coast were frightened when they saw the scene. Landslides caused entire houses to be submerged in a vortex. A large area of land completely disappeared and the disaster left chaos and chaos. Chaos. Devastated. This is a true picture of the nightmare that coastal landslides can cause, when people are faced with unpredictable natural forces. We must act to protect our planet and ensure that its natural resources can be inherited by future generations. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Subscribe to receive the latest videos from Nature TV channel.